No, I'm talking about the Children Literature Comprehension Database. I wanted to show you how it looks and some of the categories you have to pull from this database. On this database, it is good for librarians, teachers, or parents that want to learn more about books and what can help their students inside of the classroom. With this database, you have many search criteria that you can use to help find a book. You can find its reading level, the AR books level. You can find how many points you'll get for the book. And you can, as you look on the home page, have the age range. It goes from 1 to 18. And since kindergartners are high when they start school, they start after 18. You have language. I really like this because you can pick any language to look up this information in. The lexile measurement, it goes from 0 to 2000. You have your grade, your category. The grades go from infant all the way down to parents. Like I said, teachers, parents, children, anyone can use this database. Then you have your category, fiction or nonfiction, special collections. You can look up by authors, if you want, the author, series, if it's a part of a series, who published the book, you can put that in. So these are criteria that help you look for um, when you're looking for the book. And we'll do Very Hungry Pillow. Look up and see what information we can find. I chose this because I know a lot of kindergarten teachers and librarians start the school year out with doing the Very Hungry Caterpillar, and they do activity from it and do other curriculum. And this can help first time teachers or first time librarians find information about the book, if it's had an award, if you can find curriculum on here if they can't find curriculum anywhere else. This will help them with their process. On this side, on your left hand side, you have your criteria. This is what we use to search for this book. Um, and it tells you how many pages we have. Whew, that's a lot of pages about this book. It has it in variety of form. It have give you variety of information. It gives you the age range, who the author is, um, the contain a measurement, if it contains book reviews, if it contains curriculum. All of this will be listed here on this book. So I think this is a really, really good website for teachers as well as librarians to find information about books, about the book they want to teach on. Um, this is more Eric Carr books. The Very Hungry Caterpillar, Flora and the Tiger. Flora and the Tiger has a book review. This is a book review. It contains 3 book reviews, and it also contains reading measurements programs that can help with students and their reading. Um, the Crunching Munching Caterpillar. That's a good one. It has book reviews. So, like I said before, I think this is a good website for teachers and librarians to come to when they get a new book or a book they're not familiar with. They have opportunity to pull it up under this database, and it gives them the author. It gives them, if they don't know the author, the publication date. It gives them book reviews if it's a good book, if they like the book, if it's good for teaching that lesson. It'll give them curriculum on it. You can go back to the home page and you can do your search all over again. Let's search awards, same book, Very Hungry Caterpillar. Let's see what it pulls up and give us. As it looking, you see my search criteria has changed some. It's not going to move while it's searching that book. So we can't move it, go back and forth. But as it searches, um, that is Very Hungry Caterpillar. It gives us the reviews, curriculum, and awards. So Any new teacher or new librarian, this is a place to be.